going? I hope you guys are doing okay. So I'm actually in the office today. Yeah, today is my office day. Apparently I've not actually had the time to gist with you guys and explain one or two things. I know I owe you guys some kind of life, I won't call it life updates, but some kind of life to gist. So apparently I did switch jobs early this year. I know that one of my videos was I uploaded sometime was about my office, my company's summer road show. Yeah, I think I have a video of that. So yeah, that's the new job. All this why I've been working from home. I'm actually a hybrid worker, so some days I'm expected to be in the office, other days I'm supposed to work from home. But since I joined the business up until last week, I have been like a 100% home worker because the office was under renovation. Okay, so they were renovating the office, so we couldn't come in. But on the 30th, was it the 30th? I can't remember. I know it was the end of September. The office was opened, so the renovation work was at least 95% done. They're still like finishing touches they need to do and all of that, but the office is fine. That's where I came in. I came in last week Monday. It was cool for the first time, and then I came in again today. So for now it's once a week. Yeah, so I decided to do this video. So basically what I'm going to do now is take you guys on a tour of my office and show you guys all the spaces that are there. Okay, right, I might not talk, I will just give you the tour. I'll go back to the entrance, then come in again, talk to you guys later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, and I forgot. This is my office t-shirt. Yeah, this is my office t-shirt. So this is the office t-shirt I'm putting on. It's cool. Entrance of the office. This is entrance of Cardworks. I'm actually at the bookstore. And there's somewhere to sit down and relax if you want to. If you want to read. I wanted to go outside, but it's cold and I didn't get my jacket, so I'll just chill in here. This is the window's kind of dirty. Yeah. Yep. There's a pool table. Called pool table if you want to play pool. We've got a lot of spaces here, which is cool. Yep. And then these are just areas to sit down. Like chairs. I was sitting on one of these places before. Yep. And other spaces to sit down, just in case you want to sit down. Yeah, that's like a swing. These are also spaces to sit down. Spaces to sit down. And these are the lockers. They've got numbers on them. Okay, photocopier here, just in case you want to photocopy. And yep, let's just it off this side. Right, let's go towards the exit. Oh. Out. Second floor is cooler, way more cooler than the first and the third. Yep, I don't know if this place is open. The sweets are finished there. So guys, this is what the kitchen looks like. apparently I'm done for today and just preparing myself to go home at the moment. So yep, I'm just gonna pack my things and off we go. Today was really productive. Today was really good. Yeah, I had a good time. Hopefully tomorrow will also be as productive as today. Fingers crossed. And I forgot my mic, so it's going to be a little bit of not so audible, but I believe you guys can hear me. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys much later. Take care. Bye. Okay guys, it's really getting cold. It's really getting cold, but cold is coming back because my hands are chilling and freezing.